Hey everyone, Professor Baldwin here, and today we're going to solve an absolute value inequality. Remember that our first step when solving an absolute value inequality is to isolate that absolute value. So here we have 2 times our absolute value. So we need to divide both sides by 2, and that isolates absolute value of x plus 5 on the left greater than or equal to 4 on the right. Now remember that absolute value is distance. So if we're at some point, an absolute value or a distance greater than or equal to 4 says that we can go 4 units to the right, and we really need to be further than that, right? Greater than or equal to 4. And remember, we could also move left -4, which means we need to be further to the left to be greater than or equal to 4 units away. So this left side tells us that we need to solve x plus 5 less than or equal to -4, because everything to the left of 4 units, to the left of our starting point, is smaller than -4. And then this right-hand side is the inequality x plus 5 greater than or equal to 4. So solving the first inequality, we subtract 5 from both sides, and we get x is less than or equal to -9. And the second inequality, subtract 5, and you have x is greater than or equal to -1. And to see what this looks like in terms of interval notation, I like to draw a number line. And my key numbers are -9 and -1. -9 is here on the left, and -1 is to the right. You remember the far left of our number line is -infinity, and the far right is +infinity. So this first inequality, x less than or equal to -9, is shading everything to the left of -9. And because of the less than or equal to, we have a bracket here at -9. And then our second inequality, x is greater than or equal to -1, is shading everything to the right of -1. And again, because of the equal sign and the greater than or equal to, we have a bracket at -1. Now we can see our interval. This first chunk goes from -infinity through -9. -infinity always has a parenthesis because you can't actually get to -infinity. And -9, we see, has a bracket. And our second interval is from -1 with a bracket through infinity. And +infinity also has a parenthesis because, again, you can't get to that value. And because we have 2 separate chunks, we need to connect them with a U, or the union sign. So our interval is -infinity through -9, or -1 through infinity.